Is your Acorn TV application not working? Well, here are some things that you can consider to ensure that the app gets to working again. First, you need to make sure that your device is connected to a secure network. Swipe down on the control center and turn on your Wi-Fi or cellular data to connect to an internet connection. And if you have an internet connection but the app is still not working, you can simply tap and hold on to the Acorn TV application and click on Remove App to delete the app from device. We're going to reinstall the application from App Store. Click on the search bar and you want to type in Acorn TV over here, and you'll be able to see the Acorn TV application. Tap on this download option to download the app again, and now you shouldn't be facing any problems. While logging into the application again. However, if there's any other kinds of problem while using the application, you can simply restart your device once and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.